Hello Tachyon community, this video will be a quick visual guide on how to join the IPX staking on IPXUS.com. Let's get straight to it. So for step 1, type in IPXUS.com into your browser and click enter, and you'll be presented with the sign up page. So you click on sign up. Now the great thing about the sign up is you don't have to give any personal information, and you can just choose a username, for example Tachyon fan 123, and then input a password. Now once this is done, you'll be presented with a code. Now this code you should treat as your private key. So it is our suggestion to actually store this on a USB device and not on your PC or laptop. Now this code will be used to log in and gain access into your account if you do lose your login details. And then you click done and you are presented with the dashboard. So let's move on to step 2. So once you're logged in, you're greeted with a dashboard, and if you haven't done so already, you should click on wallet and create a vSystems wallet. So you'll be redirected to this page where you can create a hot and a cold wallet. It is extremely important not to use an exchange wallet to stake your IPX, as it simply will not work, and you must have the private keys to your wallet to do so. Now once you've done so, save all that onto USB stick and get your vSystems wallet address and go back to IPXUS.com, and there's many ways as to how you can start staking. So you can scroll straight down on the main dashboard and you can see the locations as where you can do that. It also provides you with other information, for example servers, session usage, daily session price, and also your return of investment. Now all of these things can really alter the amount of return of investment you receive. So that's why we have a calculator section. If you click on calculator, you'll be redirected to this page. Now this is a really cool way to understand how much you will get for your investment. So the first section, you enter your vSystems wallet address, which I showed you just how to do just now. The second part is you choose your location. Now as you saw on the main dashboard, there's many locations, and each location is relevant to the session numbers, the session price, and session rewards that nodes can produce. And all of this may affect the final return. The second section is the machine type. There will be other machine types in different locations, and the machine type is relevant to the session numbers and the session rewards that the nodes can produce, and this also might alter and affect the final return. The next section is the node numbers, the number of nodes that you can stake, and basically the more nodes that you stake will bring in more rewards. Now stake per reward. Now this is quite an important section, as the minimum amount of nodes that you the IPX that you can stake per node is 20,000, and the maximum is 200,000. Anything above 200,000 will not be counted, so do not stake anything above that. The fourth section, and this is a pretty exciting section which I really like, is the days that you stake IPX for, and it starts with as little as 7 days and you get plus 1% return of investment on top of your actual reward, and it goes all the way up to 364 days, which is basically a year, and you get a whopping 20% return. So let's have a look. Let's stake, for example, 78,000 IPX, and then you can click calculate your rewards, and the calculator will do all the work for you and will give you your annual net return of investment, which is 11.87%, which is really huge, and the amount of IPX you'll be rewarded. And then you simply click I accept and confirm, and there we go, you are staking IPX. Now there are three main things which we wish to highlight when it comes to IPX staking. The first is, when you're choosing a location and you're not very sure as to which one to choose, the best thing to do is to choose the one with the highest return of investment. Now not all locations will be available, but what you do is choose the next one which is available, which has the highest ROI. So for example, Helsinki is at 15.05%. So you click on calculator and you go through the process which we discussed. Now, nobody is very sure which combination of node numbers, stakes per node, days of staking, machine type and location will give you the highest return of investment. So if you're looking to stake more than 20,000 IPX, the best thing to do is to make multiple stakes, and which is completely possible to do. The last thing we want to mention is that these percentage bonuses, which go up to 20%, are only available from the 4th to the 11th of June 2020. So if you do want to take advantage of these percentage bonuses, then you have to stake within those dates. So if you wish to stop staking and receive your rewards, you can actually do this any time by simply clicking manage your nodes, and you'll be presented with all the different types of nodes. So you don't necessarily need to stake with one. You can stake your IPX on different types of nodes and see what return of investment you get throughout time, and work out what is the best one for you. And once you're ready, you can simply click stop. But do remember that the longer you stake, obviously the more rewards that you get, and this is one of the reasons you have to also use your V-System's private wallet address and not an exchange. Hopefully this how-to guide of how to stake IPX has been useful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below on this video. But that's it from Tachyon for today. All the best. Bye bye.